Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Amazon Prime? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet to understand about Prime. So first things first, obviously you will need to go ahead and purchase the Prime membership in order to go ahead and use it. And when you go ahead and purchase it, what you get are all these things right over here. So let me just go thoroughly through this so you feel very confident with purchasing your Amazon Prime, of course. So there are a couple of benefits that you can get. So as you can see, you can get free 2-day delivery, free 1-day delivery, free same-day delivery. You can get ultra fast grocery delivery, free Grubhub Plus. You can also get Amazon Key. There's also free release date delivery. There's free no rush shipping. There's also Amazon Day, right? That is going to be a day that works for you. Your weekly orders will be together, like coming on that exact day. You also get your streaming and digital benefits. So you get the Prime Video where you can watch a lot of stuff. You also get Amazon Music Unlimited, Amazon Luna, Amazon Photos, Amazon Kids Plus, and bunch of things. And in shopping as well, there's also Prime Days. There's also up to 50% on groceries. Prime Visa, you can earn up to 5% back. And as you can see, there's Prime Store cards, Amazon Prime Secured cards, which will simply go ahead and build your credit while earning 2% back on Amazon. And bunch of other things like Amazon, like books with audible narration. And there's also medical care. So there's a bunch of things you can go ahead and get with your Prime benefits. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.